So here on the screen is the front page of PicoCTF. Now it has different features. That's a lot of features. Now this is like a very good practicing ground, for what? For CTF, competitions, not necessarily competitions, CTF generally. Now you can choose any category of cybersecurity that you want. See, it ranges from web exploitation to cryptography to reverse engineering, forensics, general skills, then binary exploitation. Right. So now let's choose cryptography. Let's choose cryptography first. You can see it has a lot of, you can see easy. So let's say we want to filter it out. Let's just filter and show just the easy ones. So you can load up all the easy ones. Now an assignment can be given to you that, okay, before the next class, that's maybe after cryptography you've been taught cryptography, it can be given to you that, okay, before the next class, solve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can say solve the 12 challenges that are actually provided here. Now it will not make sense if you go and copy your friend's own, as you just go and copy your friend's flag and you paste it there. No, if you do that, you are cheating the system and you are cheating yourself at the same time. Yes, because in the process of doing it, the process of thinking about what the answer is, you're actually developing your cybersecurity skills. The knowledge must have been given to you, that you must have been taught everything you need to know. You must have been taught. Now, applying the knowledge, this is the practical sense. Like I told you earlier on, cybersecurity assignment is not going to be list 2 types of this. What is white hat? What is black hat? What can black hat do? List their functions. And no, we are not writing stories here. We are actually like getting into the dirty work immediately. So let's quickly jump to web exploitation and see some websites that must have been given to us. Now you can see this one is saying more SQLI. This one is definitely, the vulnerability here is SQLI, intro to Bob, and the likes of them, web decode, and the likes of them. You can see so many these things. So the 81% probably the like given for it. So these are the different this thing. Sorry, please, Christiana, confirm if you can see my screen.
I can see your screen, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. All right, so this is PicoCTF. Like I said, also we are actually going to open an account on PicoCTF at the same time. So lastly, now some of us that, let me say, we don't have like we don't have